Are you tired of hearing about financial modeling too much, but don't know yet where to start from? Or perhaps you have been trying to figure it out all on your own and noticed that Excel looks more like a puzzle than a tool. That's the X for Excel. I love Excel. But don't worry, I've been there too. Hi, this is Jawad Nagra. I am a seasoned finance professional with over 18 years of experience, having worked in different facets of auditing, accounting, finance, controllership, and a bit of C-suite as well. I've prepared countless projects on Microsoft Excel related to management reporting, analysis, and dashboards, as well as a number of financial models that typically include forecasting, budgeting, company valuation, capital budgeting, investment feasibility analysis, pricing templates, and so much more. I've come here partnering with Wi-Fi to help you master these essential skills and take your game up. So whether you are a beginner or someone ready to dive deeper, this course will provide a complete roadmap to you. And trust me, if I can make myself love these complex formulas, you can too. So let's talk about what the participants can expect to be covered in this course. First off, for beginners, this course is designed to be a self-paced learning, which essentially means they can learn whatever, whenever, and however they want. And even more importantly, this course is designed to be helpful even for a beginner. So if you are someone who does not even know the difference between sum and SUMIF, don't worry, we've got your back. And we'll take it up from there to a level where you easily and comfortably comprehend the nuances of three-statement financial model, discounted cash flow valuation, mergers and acquisition, company valuation, multiples method, capital budgeting, and so much more. So let's take a look at how we have organized the content of this course. Essentially, this course is broken into 13 different sections. 6 of them are modular, and the remaining 7 are case studies. So in the modular structure, we will be talking about the different Excel related tools and techniques. In module 1, we'll start with the fundamental and the foundation of Excel. In module 2, we'll talk about the time saving and productivity enhancing techniques that will help you use Excel like a pro. In module 3, which is further broken into 3 segments, we'll take a deep dive into formulas and functions, charts and graphs, and pivot table. In the next 3 modules, we will take a different shape, and this course will be customized for finance professionals, where we will dive into the detailed nuances of the best practices involved in financial modeling, the principles of company valuation and mergers and acquisition, various kinds of data analysis techniques, and much more. Whatever we learn in these 6 modules will eventually be covered in the form of real-world practical case studies that are 7 in numbers, and the idea of covering these case studies is to equip you enough that you can create a professionally graded financial model that can rival the work of even the best analyst. All right, so let's move to the next topic, where we are going to have a sneak peek into how we are going to cover the course contents. So in front of you, you are now looking at one of the examples where we are covering 3-statement financial models and the intricacies involved within those 3 statements, like profit and loss and balance sheet, how the 2 are connected together, and how the 2 complement us to create the cash flow statements, how these elements are very different to populate when you are dealing with the historical numbers versus when you have to deal with the forecast. The sequence of connections changes slightly, and we are going to cover each one of these areas step by step, piece by piece. In another example, you'll see how we are tackling the practical challenge of performing the company valuation for a real-world automotive giant, Tesla. And to do so, we have heavily relied on the publicly available information about the financials of the Tesla from their website. And then apart from that, we have to research a lot on the web to have fair estimation of the Tesla's vehicle deliveries, their revenue growth, and so much more. We've covered all of that in a piece-by-piece, step-by-step fashion, so much smoothly, so that you face no hurdle in the process at all. And the best part is that all of this is pre-recorded in the form of small clips recording each concept by step. So if you are someone who loves to pause and rewind, don't worry, my videos won't complain even if you play them 10 times around. All right, time to move to the next topic, where we'll talk about the benefits you are going to get from subscribing to this course. Now, here is an interesting fact in front of you. If you go to the LinkedIn, their job portal, and type in the skill section the word finance and see how many job opportunities you have. I would suggest in the where section, you keep worldwide instead of any particular country. So search for 3 words: finance, then Excel, and then financial modeling, and you will see that Excel has the largest number of vacancies available, then financial modeling, and even finance Word. This clearly gives you a sneak peek into the importance and the significance of Excel for your professional growth. For other benefits, let's consider these. Excel gives you career boosting skills that you can heavily rely on. These skills are heavily demanded in certain specific sectors like banking, corporate finance, and consulting related with company valuations and financial modeling. This course will equip you with the skills that will help you make informed business decisions by compiling information in the most meaningful and insightful fashion with confidence. By subscribing to this course, you will end up building a strong portfolio of projects related to financial modeling that can be super helpful when you are landing into your next interview, whether with your employer or with your client. Who knows, you might end up becoming one of the best company evaluator that the world has yet known, or perhaps become the go-to person for your teammates whenever they face an Excel issue. All right, enough of what we have explained to you about the course. It's time to discuss what actions you must take. If you have ever thought about mastering financial modeling and still not sure where to start, this is the course for you. Sign up fast as we bring you the A to Z of financial modeling, where you'll learn how to take Excel as your career partner. So don't waste any time and get enrolled now so you can obtain your financial modeling certification in a hassle-free environment. I can't wait to see you inside the class so we can start building the financial model and your future together. See you on the other side of the class. And hey, we're going to cover plenty of formulas in this course, but the only formula you need to worry about right now is that you plus this course is equals to Excel mastery.